dear viewers, welcome back to Horilla. Today in this video, let me show you how to create stages under each recruitment in the recruitment module of Horilla. For that, first let's go to the recruitment module, and here under the recruitment you can find stages. So this stages which we create here can also be found inside the recruitment pipeline. So here you can easily manage the stages alone of each recruitment. So under each recruitment you can see the numbers as 4, 2 and 1, which means for recruitment drive there are 4 stages. Future Force recruitment has 2 when hiring employees has 1 stage. So I'm expanding the recruitment drive, and these are the 4 stages which are there. So if you want to create a new stage, click on create over here and give the name. So I'm giving the stage name as demo stage. Okay, choose the recruitment. So I'm choosing recruitment drive, and here you have the stage manager. So one interesting feature of Horilla is that for each stage you can add multiple managers. So I've added 2 managers for the stage. And then you can see the, stage type. So I'm putting it as a test stage and I'm saving it. Okay, so recruitment has now 5 stages. So this is the demo stage where it has 2, managers, and it's a test stage. Now, if you want to take a look at the stage in the pipeline, if you go to recruitment drive, just scroll down and here comes the demo stage which you created. So from here you can easily add candidates towards the stage. Okay, so this is how the stage which you've created will be visible inside the recruitment pipeline. From here also you can create stages, but Horilla has a separate option for managing stages alone. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you can manage stages easily next time. So thank you so much for watching and see you guys in another video.